We're back. You know, it's football season, and we have some inspiration for you for your next tailgate this morning. Aryn, DeGrave, a registered dietitian with Hy-Vee, is here with a twist on some pizza that you could do for a tailgate. What have you brought in this morning?
Yes,
what can you show us?
Absolutely. So today we're talking about mangoes and how to bring tropical flavors into the tailgate as the temperatures are starting to get cold, right?
I love it. I love it. So what do we have on this pizza? You got a lot of fun, colorful stuff on here.
Yeah, so this is a mango basil barbecue flatbread.
Wow, that sounds delicious. I'm not you know, pineapple on pizza is kind of controversial.
Right.
Mango, though, that sounds kind of fun.
So much fun. And to be honest, mangoes are my favorite fruit. And I'm not just saying that because we're talking about mangoes today. But I want to show you how to cut a mango because
let's do it.
That's something that a lot of people
tough.
don't know how to do.
I have always struggled with this. So what's the secret here?
Right. So right away, you want to make sure your mango is nice and ready. So it's got a little give to it as you're pushing the side of it.
Not too squishy, not too firm.
Exactly. Exactly. So once you have that, you're going to find that top. And we are just going to cut the sides off. All right. So just like that, flip it around, cut those sides off.
Yeah, because the middle is really hard. You don't want that stuff.
Right, right. There is a big core in there.
Yeah.
So it is a stone fruit, so there's a stone in there. So after you have those slices, now we're going to like score it and do it safely, not in your hand, and do it on the plate. But score that inside so you get those
oh, look at that. Then you can just kind of
like a tic-tac-toe, and you could flip it out, and how beautiful would that be on this side as a display on your board. But then you can even take a spoon and or a knife
and just scoop it right out there.
Scoop it out. So
pop it on your pizza. All right.
Right,
So
exactly.
it is mango basil barbecue. Awesome. Aryn,
yes.
Thanks for joining us this morning.
You're welcome.